Practice courage. We all need a strong leader who knows how to make difficult decisions, who knows how to protect others and stay the course in difficult times. A good leader does not give up at the first difficulty encountered. He accepts failures as tests and knows that the path to the goal is not a long, calm river. In the face of adversity, the leader must sharpen up, show even more determination to reach the goal, and must have learned from his mistakes. Here are a few ways to be courageous. Admit that you are afraid. Accept your fear. Observe your fears. Be vulnerable. Surrender. Find an inspiration. Be resilient. Nothing is perfect. Try something difficult. Train yourself to be conscious. Create a plan.